So one of the most common questions we get is how much should we pay our writers? Um, Most people, of course, want to make sure their writers are paid fairly. They want to motivate them, of course. The more you kind of offer them, the more they're going to be motivated. But on the other hand, you have budgets and you want to make sure you're getting a good price. So it can be a little tricky. So I'm on the plan and order screen here, and this is where you're going to enter in a title that you want to order. And I'm going to select a word count, and I'm going to choose the writer assignment method. Since this is a new project, this is a new account, so I don't yet have any favorite writers. I'm going to go ahead and try a new Zerys writer, set up my audition, and enter my information here. In any case, it now displays a kind of a default rate of 7 cents a word, but I can use this slider to change it and offer as much as I want. And then you see the total price here. So how much should I offer? Of course, you see this little link here. This is a nice little guide that we created that you can really use to just give you an idea of how much you should be offering given the document you're requesting. So as you can see, there's kind of 4 different sections here. The first one being the length. Of course, that's going to determine a lot. The more words, the more it's going to cost. And as you'll see, as I slide this up, it's going to affect the price, but I'll leave that around 500 words for now. How much technical knowledge, okay? There's only a couple different degrees here, but as you'll see, as you slide this up, price is going to go up a little bit more if it's requiring more technical know-how. Okay, which of the following would you like the writer to do? Additional research, do you want to include industry data, stats, quotes, things like that? You'll see as I'm clicking these, the price is going up. Include links to internal or external pages for SEO or purposes like that. Or if you have some special formatting requirements. All of these things are going to just require a little more thought, a little more time from the writer. So you just want to make sure you're incorporating that into your price offer. And then finally, in terms of speed, when do you need it? Is it kind of whenever, within a few days, or do you really need this right away? That's going to add a little bit to your offer. So again, this is just a rough guide, something to think about, help you kind of come up with a price when you're offering this. So based on that, let's say this suggested $70. You could always come in here and slide this to kind of get it close to that for your offer here, just depending on what you need again. So that's the way to do it. Just feel free to use our guide. And of course, if your budget allows it, the other benefits of really motivating the writers are that it's going to get your job's going to get picked up quicker. You'll end up getting better quality, of course, which means maybe less editing on the back end. And in general, just like anything else in life, you'll probably get a better service and be happier. But of course, it's going to be up to your budget and whatever it allows.